In this video, we're going to plot a double line graph. So if we have a problem like this one that says, Rose and Co. kept track of how many pink roses and how many red roses were sold each year. Use the data in the table to complete the missing line in the double line graph. So we could see this table. It has the number of roses sold, the year they were sold. This is the number of red ones. This is the number of pink ones. So here we could see in the table the years and then the number of roses. And we could see the pink one is already plotted for us, right? So in 2018, there were 7 sold, right? Then in 2019, there were 10 sold. In 2020, there were 3 sold. In 2021, there were also 3 sold. And then in 2022, there were 7 sold. Okay, so now we need to plot the red one. The line for pink is already completed. Let's complete the graph for red. So look at the first row for the red roses. So this is this one. So 10 roses were sold in 2018. So let's plot that. So in 2018, there were 10 roses. Here's the little red dot. Okay. So now we look at the next row. 14 red roses were sold in 2019. So this is the next row. In 2019, there were 14. So I'm going to expect to see a little red dot show up there. There it is. Okay. So now step 4, 5 roses were sold in 2020. So that was that one. 5 were sold in 2020. And then in 2021, there were 8 roses were sold. And that's this dot here. And the last one is 10 roses were sold again in 2022. So finally, let's connect all the red points. So all we do is we just go and connect them. This connects to this, then this connects to this, this connects to this connects to that. So let's see how that looks. That's it. And that's how you do this kind of question. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. You could try it out yourself on the screen as you watch again. As well, take a look at the description. There's other videos there that you'll find that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in there. You could follow along as you watch the video. There's a link there that'll take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.